If your Android phone is making random notification sounds, but there's nothing on the screen and you're not sure what's causing those sounds, there's a few easy steps we can follow to find the cause and turn off the sounds. The easiest and fastest option you should try first is to simply check your notifications. Swipe down from the top left and see if there's a recent notification that matches the time when you heard the sound. You can then disable sounds for that particular app, and I'll show how to do that in just a second. If you don't see anything in the notifications that would explain the sound, we can dig a little deeper. Most of the time it is coming from an app, but the notification disappears before you can see it. Go to Settings and then scroll down to Notifications. From there, we'll go to Advanced Settings, and there you'll see a menu for notification history. If your notification history isn't enabled, toggle it on, wait for the next mystery sound, and then come back here to check what caused it. Mine was already on, so I can see a detailed list here of all the notification-related activity, which would help me figure out what's causing the sounds. Let's say this weather notification was bugging me with random notification sounds. Now we know where it's coming and what needs to be turned off to stop the sound. I'll go back to my notification settings and we'll then go to App Notifications. Then on the list, you'll find the app that was causing the sounds. In my case, I'll pick the weather app. And then in the app settings, I'll just toggle off sound and vibration for this particular app. I'll still see all the notifications, but they won't make any sounds. Or you could just disable notifications completely for this app if that's what you want. If that still didn't help, sometimes it's the NFC Reader. Modern credit cards have NFC chips, and when your phone's NFC reader is on, it tries to read the card. Every time it detects the chip, it makes a specific ping sound, which isn't a standard notification sound, making it even more confusing. If you keep cards near your phone, you can test this by pulling down the quick settings and disabling NFC from there. I don't see the NFC button on my phone, so I'll just go ahead and add it here. Tap the pencil to edit, then edit the buttons, and from the available buttons on the bottom, find NFC. And of course, once it's in, make sure it's toggled off. If that stops the sound, you might want to move your cards further away from the phone. Another thing to check would be the repeat notification alerts. There's been a bug, especially on some Samsung phones, where the phone keeps reminding you about a notification you've already seen and dismissed. Go to Settings, Notifications, then find Advanced Settings, and from there, make sure Repeat Notification Alerts is toggled off. That feature is basically designed to beep your phone twice if you miss a notification, which, personally, I don't need. In some rare cases, you might also have an emergency alert stuck in the system, triggering a repeated chime until you clear the history. To check this, you'll go to Settings, then go to Notifications again, find the Advanced Settings, and all the way on the bottom, go to Wireless Emergency Alerts. Check for any active alerts there, and if you see any, clear the history. I'd say 99% of the time, one of those tricks will help you get rid of mysterious notification sounds. Click the like button if this helped you, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks all, until next time.